Okay, this is a video of how to get Tom Nook lost in his own store. That's pretty sad.
Pretty sad.
Oh, shut up.
I'm the camera chick. I should get some credit.
Tasha, seriously, I'm not even joking.
Fine, whatever.
Okay. Everybody knows this is Tom Nook's store, right? And there's Tom Nook. He always follows you. Never lose him. Okay. Well, watch when I do this. Where did he go?
He can't find you because you're behind his own sign. Oh yeah, Tom Nook, great eyesight.
Oh look, there he is. See, he gets lost. So dumb. Well, that's all for today. Bye!